Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a different video for you. Today I'm going to be talking about 2024 fashion trends and what's on my list. So I am letting everybody know that just because it's no longer a fashion trend, just don't ditch it. Continue to wear what you love. I continue to wear what I love. And I only dabble my toe in trends that are of interest to me. I also have to say I am not a fashionista. I steal all my information from other sources, which are the following: InStyle, Vogue, Real Simple, and Who, What, Where, and E! Online. I tried to condense everything into a single explanation of what is in and what is out versus you having to go and read all these sources yourself. And again, this is my interpretation from what I read from their articles. All right, so first thing that is done and no longer in style is Barbie core. Does that mean that you get rid of all your hot pink? No. But what is in its place now is called girl core. What does that mean? Big bows, ruffles, rosettes, lots of florals, but more the three-dimensional kind, or like floral embroidery. That's what I had gathered. Instead of a hot pink, millennium pink, which is a much lighter shade of pink, is going to also be in its place. What is out is that Y2K look with the low-rise baggy jeans, which I don't think anyone ever caught and picked up on. It was never really, caught on in style, but that's going to be out. What's going to continue to be in is quiet luxury, but it's going to be a little bit more added to it, more than just quiet luxury. Classic preppy is also going to be in, and that also includes sporty preppy like polo shirts and rugbies. Add to that girl core, so you're going to see some mixture of these two different styles. Like you might see a frilly skirt with like a very preppy cardigan or polo with it. So some of the looks I've seen were quite interesting. Okay, what is also continuing to be in is sheer mesh and like openness, like think of like netting and things of that nature, like almost like a macrame. And they're going to creep into our everyday wear and not just like formal wear, including workwear. I don't know how they're going to do it, but that's what I've read, that it's going to, sheer mesh and openness is going to be in pretty much everything. I don't know if you've heard, but the Pantone color of the year is peach fuzz. It's a very soft peach, which is very hard to wear for a lot of skin tones, but I'll continue to wear whether it's my color or not. Red of all shades continues to be in, and like I said, millennium pink. What is also in are metallics. They're saying because it's an Olympic year, you're going to have all shades of metallics in, especially silver, gold, and bronze. They're also, the metallics are going to tend to be a little bit more structured versus like a soft and flowy. Think of like a bustier or something like that. That's like more like boned to be like structured and metallic. Also what's in are the icy metallics, like the light blue icy metallic halter top that I got at White House Black Market. So all those are going to be in. What is also going to be is in volume and shapes, exaggerated lengths. So think maxis, even drop waist, long line jackets, and tailored bottoms. So no longer simple plain skinny jeans and no longer just wide leg denim. You're going to be looking at very tailored bottoms with like pleating and other details, including, cuffs that are very flowy and long. Coastal Grandma is out. Eclectic Grandpa is in. And what do you mean by that? Think of the 1980s weird sweaters that we had. If you can think of some of the 80s sitcoms back then, you'll get an idea. All right, what else? Two of the sources, not all of them, mentioned fringe, but very fine fringe. So we shall see if that comes through. One of the sources indicated that mod style ultra mini shift dresses. So think of the 1960s mini shift dresses, but they're going to be very bejeweled, like a lot of like rhinestones, sequins, pearls all over them. Okay, what else is in? Well, let's talk about apron dresses and then like skirts with like a waistband that almost looks like what you put like your tools or a coin change holder in them. That's a little bit weird to me, and I only saw that on one website, but yeah, I'm going to be passing on that one for sure. So let's talk about accessories. Shoes, kitten heels are in, slingbacks are in. All toe shapes are going to be in. I was out shopping, they got pointed toe, they have square toe, and they have rounded toe. And I've seen plenty of ballet flats out there and loafers. What you're not seeing are those chunky soles anymore. Everything is going to be way more streamlined and elegant as far as shoes. One website said jelly shoes are going to be making a comeback. We shall see. And the big thing is to wear socks with your heels. And that's another trend I think I'm going to pass on. Even though it does look quite comfortable, I don't think I can pull that off at my age. Large, unstructured handbags, like hobo bags and big satchels are going to be in. Huge statement earrings are going to be in. And yeah, that is my research. That is what they say. What's on my list? So, bring over my list here, which may or may not have to do with these trends. I am looking for a pair of non-distressed, light wash boyfriend jeans. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but besides, skinny jeans aren't out, but they're not as in and on trend as some of these other silhouettes. And I don't know if you noticed this, but distressing is pretty much like on its way out. I've seen very few things being now distressed. So along with the preppy style that's coming in, so are clean and non-distressed items. I'm looking for a pair of silver shoes, but I don't want loafers or ballet flats, and I don't want a heel that looks like it's made to go to a party. So I'll have to keep my eyes out. I've been looking, but I haven't seen quite what I'm looking for yet. I've mentioned this before. I'm looking for a red top that I can wear through the spring and potentially the summer. I'm still looking for a navy purse, but it's not like dying. I am still seeking a denim jumpsuit. Haven't found one that fits me yet. Very basic, an ivory thin belt I'm looking for. I need a replacement black belt. I still have my list that I've had on it for years, a camel coat. I don't need a camel coat. I don't need any coats, but I do want a camel coat, and I have in mind what I want, and I just have not seen it. I could use some long sleeve and short sleeve white tees. I can use some white tanks and ivory tanks. I would love a neutral silk blouse. I would love a yellow jacket. Gray boots. I'm looking for a pink sweater, and I might have found one. I'm looking for a pink knit top that will take me throughout the spring and potentially summer. A light blue long sleeve or 3/4 sleeve, maybe even short sleeve cotton sweater, again for spring. I'm looking for mock necks or like a high neck sleeveless tops to wear underneath my items now, between now and like March. Thin, form-fitting, sleeveless to wear under jackets and whatnot. I could use some sports bras. I would love a pair of non-distressed dad jeans. I'm looking for a pair of taupe bottoms, but I don't think I could pull off that overly tailored look. And I am looking for silver earrings because I lost 2 in the last couple weeks. And that is my list, which I continue to add and modify. Let me know what's on your list. Let me know what trends that you're going to be doing this season, and what do you think of the trends that are coming up. None of them really, sparks joy in me and say, ooh, I want to try that. I'm not going to say I'm not going to try it, but nothing that I see that like, ooh, it's really groundbreaking or exciting. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. Take care. Till next time.